What's up, beautiful people? It's been another week of highs, lows, and everything else in between the ever-moving showbiz train. It's your girl, Rejoice Eldage, here again to serve you some of that good stuff. This week, we're talking the BB Naija finale, more God when moments, and some all-round good vibes from your favorite celebs. Here's details of all that. The Big Brother Naija lockdown season finale is just around the corner, and in a couple of hours, the suspense over who would win the big prize will be over. This week, fans of the show witnessed the eviction of Tricky T and Ozo as Nengi, Laycon, V, Neo, and Dora coasted into the finals. On Monday night, instead of the usual head of house games, Big Brother treated the top 5 to a beautiful dinner, after which V was announced as the new head of house and instructed that the position is now to be rotated around each housemate all through the week. Meanwhile, a fresh controversy began on social media, with fans dragging disqualified housemate Erica over her fight with Claire favourite Laycon after he disclosed his genotype to the remaining housemates. The revelation quickly sparked a trend on social media around the SC genotype, which is a rare variation of the sickle cell, as more fans vowed to support Laycon for that singular reason. Anyway, it's been a great season with so much fun and drama, and we definitely cannot wait to see who goes home with the grand prize. Until then, you can visit our website to predict who you think will be crowned winner. Just days after veteran Nollywood actor Kanayo added another feather to his cap by becoming a lawyer, he revealed that he has undergone a major nasal surgery. Last week, Vibes had reported that he was called to bar, a story that emphasizes that it's never too late to chase your dreams. This week, however, the living in bondage actor took to Instagram to share a post-surgery video. We wish him a quick recovery. And at number 3, Davido has been giving us some exciting vibes since his return to social media after an extended period of self-imposed hiatus. In a video which he captioned "Praise and Worship in Asaba," the Blow My Mind singer was seen drumming excitedly amid a congregation, although he clarified in a tweet that it wasn't a church. Just last week, he dropped his latest hit, Femme, which has now gone on to break records, including topping the iTunes charts, TV airplay charts, and even YouTube, where he became the second artist after Burna Boy to hit 1 million views in a week. The music video has now crossed 6 million views at the time of this production. Wow, we're definitely here for all that good stuff. The 40th birthday celebration of media mogul Linda Ikeji takes the second spot today after she flaunted her exotic collection of shoes and bags. The mother of one took to social media to share photos of the bags and 80 pairs of shoes, which she said were her birthday presents to herself as she clocked the big 40. According to her, she just found herself shopping and couldn't stop, and 5 more pairs are on the way. She capped it all by splurging on a 2020 Range Rover autobiography. As expected, the post sent many Twitter fingers into a frenzy. Before we reveal our top story for the week, here's some exciting news as former One Direction member Zayn Malik and supermodel Gigi Hadid have welcomed their first child together. The couple, who met on the set of Malik's music video for the song Pillow Talk back in 2015, announced that they were expecting their child in April, and on Wednesday, Malik broke the news to fans that they had just welcomed their baby girl. And to our big story at number 1, the Emmys on Sunday basically turned into the world's most glamorous Zoom call, with Hollywood A-listers beaming into an empty Staples Center in Los Angeles from their apartments, guest houses, and various locations across 10 countries. The event, which held on Sunday, is Hollywood's first major COVID-era award show, and although Los Angeles remains under strict lockdown, preventing the stars from enjoying the traditional red carpet, the show was not short of all its usual excitement. For the awards, HBO's Watchmen led the way with a total of 11 wins, including the prize for Best Limited Series. Also, cult favorite Schitt's Creek cleaned up in the Comedy Awards, taking home a total of 9 prizes, including 4 for creator and star Daniel Levy. Among the dramas, Succession took home top honors for Best Series, Best Lead Actor, Best Writing, and Best Directing. Other winners for the night included Nigerian-American actress Uzo Aduba for Best Supporting Actress in the Limited Series or TV movie Mrs. America, and Zendaya Coleman for Lead Actress in the drama Euphoria, amongst others. The Golden Statuettes were delivered at the homes of the winners by people dressed in the hazmat tuxedos to ensure top protection. Over to music. Days after superstar Wizkid gave fans a sneak peek into his very highly anticipated fourth studio album made in Lagos, he has now released the visuals for one of the songs off the album, Smile, featuring her. The colorful music video released on Thursday was dedicated to his three sons, Bolu, Ayo, and Zion, who were also featured, and it definitely is worth smiling about. It appears to be the season of album releases, and word on the street has it that Nigerian superstar Olamide will be releasing his latest body of work titled Carpe Diem on the 8th of October. A few weeks ago, the World singer had teased that the album was 100% done. The album is a follow-up to 999, which was released in January 2020. And to movies, Play Network Studios has unveiled the cast for the remake of Amaka Igwe's 1994 crime thriller Rattlesnake. The production company took to Instagram on Tuesday to share the lineup, which includes veterans Chiweta Lagu, Chinyere Wilfred, Omotola Jalade Ekende, and several others. The upcoming remake, directed by Ramsey Noah, will join the growing list of 90s classic remakes such as Living in Bondage, Breaking Free, and Glamour Girls. That's really one film we're looking forward to, and it's on that note that we close the show for today. Thank you so much for riding with me on this episode. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like and comment. Also, don't forget to visit our website to participate in the poll telling us who you're rooting for and who you think will be crowned winner of the BB Naija Lockdown season tomorrow. Until I see you around same time next week, have yourself an amazing weekend.